The grammar that we are going to learn about today is about JANAI. The grammar of JANAI is mean maybe or most likely, confirmation of information. This means when you use the grammar of JANAI, this means you want to confirm something, find some information that you are not sure about the story, about what happened. So you can use the JANAI to talk with the person you are talking about to confirm the information that is it true or not true. For example, if you forget about what day is today, you can say something. If you remember that today is October or November 28, 29, something like this, you can say, what day is it today? Today is the first, right? Something like this. So when you use the grammar of JANAI in Japanese language, you can use the plus, some plus, and by JANAI. JANAI is mean in the question, so the intonation should be in the question. For example, JANAI. No, we don't say this. JANAI. JANAI. This means question mark. So intonation is changed. So the next, to make more understand about how to use the grammar of JANAI, the next we are going to see some example together. The first example, Tomu-san mo kuru janai. Tomu-san mo kuru janai, which means Tom will surely come as well. Tom will surely come as well. The next example, あそこにいる人って田中先生じゃない？あそこにいる人って田中先生じゃない？ Which means, isn't that person over there Mr. Tanaka? Isn't that old person over there Mr. Tanaka? For the first sentence, you see that Tom-san mo kuru janai. This means you are not sure. So you can ask your friend that Tom will surely come as well, something like this. Or will Tom come here together, something like this. So you can use in a situation like this. And for the second sentence, when you see some person similar to the person that you have known before, but you're not sure, you can ask like this. In case of the second sentence is Tanaka Sensei. Tanaka Sensei is mean teacher Tanaka, right? Teacher Tanaka. So when you see something is very far and you're not sure, you can ask your friend or the person around you that あそこにいる人って田中先生じゃない? Something like this, that you confirm that it is or is not for your friend or the person around you. In the sentence, isn't that person over there Mr. Tanaka? Actually, even when we say Tanaka sensei, which means teacher Tanaka, not Mr., but sometimes depend to you. Tanaka sensei is mean teacher Tanaka, but in this case, they just write Mr. Tanaka. So the next, yareba dekiru janai. Yareba dekiru janai, which means I didn't think you had it in you. I didn't think you had it in you. In this sentence, it means that if you do, you can do. But when you're not sure, so you can confirm. When you ask someone that you can do something or not, but some people will confirm back to you that you can do. Aren't you? Something like this. Couldn't you? Something like this. 야레바 되기를 janai. If you do, couldn't you do it? Something like this. The next, 明日雨が降るんじゃないかと心配だ。明日雨が降るんじゃないかと心配だ。Which means, I'm worried it may rain tomorrow. I'm worried it might rain tomorrow. I'm worried it might rain tomorrow. This means when you worry about tomorrow and you ask the person around you that you are worried that tomorrow might rain, something like this. 雨が降るんじゃないかと心配だ。This means you just look around you and the condition of the sky and you just worry, but you can confirm with your friend. But in this case, maybe your friend don't know too, right? So you have to look at the forest, right? Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。